At Horne Heating and Air Conditioning, we pride ourselves on our customer service. We wear shoe covers to protect your floors, masks to protect your health, and we are always in uniform. But we do more. Our Meet the Tech feature proves that. Here's how it works. At the time you make your appointment, you'll receive a text or an email confirming that your job has been scheduled. As your appointment time gets closer, you'll receive a notification that your technician is on the way. And for extra peace of mind, that communication will include a picture of the tech with a brief bio. Any issues or follow-ups will be sent to you as well. This is just the latest development in our mission to provide you with the best service in the market and show our appreciation for your business. Call or click today to make an appointment and experience all our customer benefits for yourself.